So we're here right now at Route 66, a small town called Seligman. A 2-hour ride or 2-hour drive from the Hoover Dam going here. And this Route 66, this is an historic place right here. This is the inspiration for the movie Cars. If you can remember Lightning McQueen, if you're a fan of that one. The first one, of course. And this is the inspiration of that movie. And to give you a little background, Route 66 is all the way from Chicago and it stops at Santa Monica, also known as Route 66. Santa Monica Boulevard is also Route 66. But before you get here, you'll be passing through Hoover Dam. There are a handful of movies this dam is famous of, like Transformers, San Andreas, and a whole lot more. After a brief lunch at the West Side Lilo's, we now headed to one of the most iconic wonders of the world. Okay, so here we are from Route 66. Almost 2 hours bus ride going to the Grand Canyon National Park. So check this out. Majestic view of an extraordinary place that you don't see every day or maybe a lifetime if you are not from here. The Grand Canyon National Park is one of the most visited national park here in the US, where people can stay a night or two. Actually, we have not explored much, but there are tons of things that you can do here, where actually this is just one of the tours that they offer here. This is the West Side Rim Tour, which I think they have a couple of more to offer. Indeed, it was a sight to behold, a majestic landscape of epic proportion, an experience that I thought would never happen. This will be great for you and your family to enjoy. We're here right now at the final stop of the tour, and this is the Angel Lounge, and there are different cabin type lounges right here where you can stay a night or two. And what you can do here is that you have an option to go trailing down the canyon, or you can ride a mule going down the canyon. It will be, I think, a guided tour, and you can spend around the whole day or 2 days going around the canyon, and you have a lot of things to do if you're the type of
adventure. adventure. Thank you, Robbie. If you're the type of adventurer wherein you want a piece of nature wherein you cannot see every day, and this is going to be a great experience for you.